Welcome to Deploy.AI, your go-to low-code platform for unlocking the full business benefits of AI. Making the most of your AI models once meant pouring time and money into defining how you prompt them. Even hiring specialist prompt engineers. But with custom forms, Deploy changes all that. Automating and simplifying interactions for greater results while preserving creative energy. Deploy gathers every AI-driven use case relevant to your venture in a singular, all-encompassing platform. With advanced features including retrieval-augmented generation, data safety protocols, and content guardrails, plus flexible client APIs and customizable UI for development of all AI-powered business applications. From campaign creative and blog posts for marketing, and cold email and call scripts for sales, to debugging and app generation for engineers. Every department benefits from Deploy's zero-prompt AI forms. Just enter your data, then sit back, as Deploy's agents, as ready applications get to work. Zero prompts, full reward. Maximize your AI capability with AI-powered applications by Deploy.AI.